All right, we got these amazing 36-piece compass keychain or carabiners, compass carabiners. These are amazing. They come in all sorts of different colors. Let me just show you one first. This is what they look like. And they come in, so we got green, we got red, we got yellow, we got blue, we got like a pinkish purple, and we got black, as you can see right here. 36 of them, 6 of each color, and then 6 colors. So amazing. Here's what it looks like right here. You can, maybe if you want to, you can put keys on that part or whatever you want. Then you got the carabiner right here that could latch on to potentially your belt loop or maybe like something on your backpack. You could carry it around. Great for maybe you're going camping, hiking, or maybe you just want to, you can just wear this around. Also, great for kids to just have fun. They're playing pretend games or whatever. These are great. You got the compass right in there. Depending on the direction they're going, that moves around. But these things are perfect for adults and kids. So 36 pieces. Amazing. Highly recommend.